Hey guys, today I have a project that I've been meaning to do for a really long time and it has become absolutely necessary right now. This is my daughter's room. Back in, I want to say January, her dad and uncle gutted the room basically. So it was just like one big square. These shelves so we could store all of her toys and bins and everything. And I haven't really done anything with the room since then, besides just do some touch-up paint, which does not look great, but I don't know. I've just been procrastinating. So now is the time. It's gotten to the point where it's absolutely ridiculous. It's embarrassing. So it's bad stuff. There's just stuff everywhere. Yeah, so I thought I would do that on a video today and we'll see how that goes. I probably should have cleaned up a little bit before decluttering, but I thought maybe I would show you how bad it is. It's kind of embarrassing. So I'm going to take the footage. I'm not sure if I'm going to show everything. You know what? No, I feel like everything's always put on and everything's always perfect whenever you see videos. So I'm going to show you what it's like when her room has not been cleaned and it's just been a crazy busy week, and it's now Monday morning, and yeah, okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, so told you it was bad. You walk in her room and her bed is to the right, not made. Her dresser with all her clothes are in there. There's a lot of stuff right here that is not even hers that needs to be gotten rid of. Her toys are in these bins, and then there's a little dollhouse down there in the back, and then her books are there and some games. But like other than that, there's like family board games there, and then we have like office stuff. That's office stuff. That's my camera, an old camera. This is office stuff for our business, and then like some board games and her school box. It's more like a teacher box for me, for homeschooling. And then this is just, she's got some gift bags that we haven't gotten rid of yet. Her backpack. I actually did neaten this desk up yesterday, but things just kind of accumulate there. So all her stuffed animals in a bin, another bin of toys. No, I think that actually belongs in the bathroom. Sometimes her room is just a catch-all. And then papers and workbooks and stuff. So yeah, you can see it's a disaster. It's an absolute disaster. It's embarrassing, but I'm going to take care of it. I'm going to clean it up and you can come along for the ride. So I'm going to start out with a plastic bag because I know I'm going to have stuff to throw away. Sometimes I'm ruthless and sometimes it's hard to get rid of stuff. So let's get that started. And I'm going to start out by making her bed because that kind of will help the way things look a little bit. All right, that's already looking better. It's hard to make this bed because it's up against the wall, but it's neat. Okay, so the bed is made. That's good. I don't know where to start. I don't know. I should probably just take everything off the shelves and put it in the middle of the floor. That's probably the best bet, but I don't know what to do. Her books and her games there for now. I'm just going to go through all these bins and see what I can get rid of. Yeah, we'll tackle all this stuff. This is a lot. So it's hard because a lot of the things like she doesn't play with anymore, or a lot, but then she won't play with the ponies for a long time, but then she'll take them all out and start playing with them again. But she is starting to, I feel like she's growing out of them. It's really hard to get rid of stuff sometimes. I get kind of sentimental. I guess maybe start with things that don't work or that are annoying. Oh my god. I'd get rid of that because it's really annoying, but her grandma got it for her, and her grandma passed away recently, so I kind of like to hang on to the stuff from her grandma. So, but I know these awesome, cute little pinky headphones, they don't work anymore, and she doesn't like them because she says they're too small for her ears. So, and she likes to use my headphones, which are much bigger. So sometimes you just got to call it a loss and say goodbye. So I think I'm just going to start throwing stuff I don't want out there, which is in the bathroom. It's like this kind of stuff, I guess it's time to pass it on, but it's not broken. So what I'm gonna do, yes, this is what I'll do. So I'm gonna put things in this basket that I am going to donate or sell. I'm gonna make piles. There's a method to my madness. That's stuff that we're keeping that needs to be put away, but yeah. Okay, so we'll start. Oh, this is a Play-Doh bin. It has its very own bin. Garbage. And all the garbage, I mean all the dusty stuff, I'm just gonna empty anything that's dusty or crummy, like Play-Doh crumbs, onto the floor, because I'm just gonna do a massive vacuum afterwards. Someone has a lot of Play-Doh. She never uses it. Oh my god, this is insane. Oh, I don't like the way they feel. I don't like it. It's like this light clay, but she loves it.
Take a big gulp.
Okay, well, pretty rough. I did end up stopping the video because there's only so much of that you can take. So I ended up doing all of that, cleaning everything down, cleaning the shelves down, dusting, and just putting everything back. And I vacuumed, just kind of reorganized everything. But I did have a big garbage bag, so that's a good thing. So I will show it to you now, and I guess the finished product. But there's still a lot more I want to do with this room. And I'm going to be doing that pretty soon because we are going to be doing something a little bit different. So without further ado, it does feel much nicer in here, even though it kind of looks the same. Yeah, I'm going to show you around. Okay, so you walk in and her desk got all cleaned off. This is like papers and stickers and like a couple like dry erase workbooks and stuff that she likes. These are taxes and some files that we have, and then these are things that I'm getting rid of, these 2 boxes, but they're just there for right now. Her stuffed animals are under there. Her school books are down there for work, for schoolwork. Wow, nope, for homeschooling. Then there's her doll houses and like bigger items. There's stuff all organized in there. All of that. Didn't really reorganize up there at all. And I gave her some plants that I've been propagating. She is also a plant lover like her mama. And there she is. So her bed is pretty much the same. There was a bunch of stuff on it, which is why it looks messy right now. And her TV and her Wii. But look, the floor is clean. Yeah, her floor is clean. It's still wet. Yeah, so that's how it is right now. And I'm probably gonna go do my hair because that is really bad. I plan on doing a little bit of decorating and doing something with her windows, some curtains and stuff, so that it looks a little bit nicer. So yeah, thanks for watching this part. Bye.